Hi, I'm the Math Guy Steve. Let's try solving this equation. So when solving radical equations, we want to isolate the radical and then raise both sides to some power, okay? So here, we have the radical already on a side by itself. So now, to get rid of the square root, we square both sides of this equation, okay? All right, squaring both sides, this will eliminate that radical. All right, so squaring the left-hand side, the square root and square cancel, so we get x minus 4. And then here, squaring the right-hand side, we get 3 squared is 9. Now it's just a linear equation, a lot easier to solve. So if I add 4 to both sides, we get x equals 13, all right? Now that's our solution to the equation, but with radical equations, we have to check, okay? That's called the Nike step, the check step, meaning sometimes we can get extraneous solutions when we have radical equations. So let's check it. How do I check it? I'll plug it back in to make sure we get a true statement, okay? Plug it in, plug it in. All right, so let's plug in that 13 back into the original, see if we get a true statement, okay? So if I plug in 13, that's the square root of 13 minus 4. Is that equal to 3? Is this a true statement? Well, 13 minus 4 is 9, so the square root of 9, is that equal to 3? Well, yeah, square root of 9 is 3, so 3 equals 3, okay? So it checks, okay? So, not too bad, right? When we have radical equations, isolate the radical, raise both sides to some power, and then solve from there. But don't forget that Nike step, that check step, okay? Always remember, it's everywhere.